Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to chat with Gemini in the Messages app on your Android phone. You can open a chat with Gemini straight in the Messages app on your phone. To do it, first you need to have an Android phone because this doesn't work on iPhones. Then you have to have your phone set to a language that's supported by Gemini. And most of the languages will be supported, but if yours is not, I will suggest to change it to English if you want. And then it will work. Then you can make sure that you have the latest version of Google Messages. To do that, go to the Play Store. Then in the Play Store, click on your profile in top right corner and click on Manage Apps and Device. Then click on Updates Available, and here find if you have Google Messages available for update. If not, then they are up to date, but if yes, just click on Update. But I will highly suggest you to update all apps. So it updates also the Google app and more, so it all works together. Then when that's done, make sure that you are signed into your personal Google account that's not managed by Family Link or Google Workspace account. And also you need to be 18 years old or over. And you need to have RCS chats turned on. To make sure that you have RCS chats turned on, go to the Messages app on your phone, then click on your profile in top right corner and click on Messages Settings. Then here are RCS chats. When you click on them, you'll be able to enable them. Then wait a moment until it verifies RCS chats, and when it verifies, it will be done. Then I will suggest you to restart your phone so it gets the whole thing, and if it does, in the Google Messages app, which I'm currently in, you will be either able to click on the Gemini icon here or click on Start Chat and click on Gemini. If this doesn't work for you, I'm gonna show you how to use it in a moment, but before that I'm gonna explain what to do if you cannot see it. Make sure that you have restarted your phone. First of all, make sure that you've taken all the steps I have talked about. And also, if it still doesn't work, you may want to install the Gemini app from the Google Play Store. Then go to Play Store, then search for Gemini and make sure it's installed. This will help you out with configuring everything. Then make sure that you open the app and configure it right here, so it also gets started. And now let's move on to the Gemini in chat. So let's go to Google Messages, then either click here or Start Chat Gemini. Now scroll down and read these messages so you know them. And then click on Continue, go into Gemini. So let's go down, use Gemini. And now you can use it as your AI chat. And I'm gonna show you 3 examples of using Gemini, so you know how to use it. And you can use it for many various things. Of course, here are some suggestions, but I'm gonna type in my own one. Let's try this first suggestion. And you can see that it gives you the answer. Now you can ask it something else. And you can see that it also got that second message, and it got the dietary restriction, it got that I'm a novice cook, and it got it that it has to be impressive. And the last message I'm gonna send is and you can see it has given me another answer. Feel free to test it out yourself and get to know your Gemini in your messages. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.